Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Bank on guitar. We'll start by focusing on the fundamental chords that form the backbone of this beautiful song. You'll need to master C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practicing smooth transitions between these four chords is absolutely key to building a solid foundation. Let's get those fingers moving. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for Blood Bank is down, down, up, up, down, up. Focus on keeping a steady, consistent rhythm as you move through the chord changes. Don't be afraid to experiment with the intensity of your strumming to add a little dynamic flair to your playing. This will really bring the song to life. Now, let's fine-tune some advanced visual elements. Set both volumetric lighting and particle lighting quality to low. Disable screen space reflections, as these can be quite demanding. Turning off hair strands will also free up some resources. A powerful trick is to enable interlaced rendering. This can improve your frame rates by as much as 35%, offering a substantial boost for low-end machines. Finally, let's talk about effective practice and song structure. Break the song down into smaller sections and practice them slowly before gradually increasing your speed. Familiarize yourself with the verse, chorus, and bridge sections to understand the song's flow. Playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Blood Bank beautifully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.